Hey crafters, it's Joy here for Honeybee Stamps, and today I've created this sweet little card using patterned paper, a stencil, and a die cut. So I am starting with a piece of the patterned paper from the Garden Party 5.5 by 8.5 paper. So I die cut a piece, not die cut, I trimmed a piece that's A2 size, which is 4.25 by 5.5. Now I was showing you the animal prints stencil. There's two stencils in there. One is a larger animal print and one is a smaller one. I'm using the larger one today because I want to see this gorgeous pink paper through the stencil. I am using black soot distress oxide ink to ink blend on this gorgeous little pattern, but the paper almost felt like this really soft pink sweater, which I thought would be really pretty with the contrast of this dark animal print. So that's going to be the background. Then we're also using the Lovely Layers Petals and Wings die set. There's flowers and butterflies. I'm only going to use the butterflies today. I am going to die cut the base from Vellum and then the butterflies themselves from more of that gorgeous Garden Party patterned paper. So let me get the last little bit on here. And these are not layering stencils. They're just two separate patterns, a small and a large for the stencil. And then I did trim that down slightly smaller than an A2 size piece of cardstock. So now you can see I have the larger part of the butterfly from Vellum and then the smaller part from the pattern paper. And then there is like little dots etched into these butterflies on the smaller pieces, which are so pretty. And I chose pinks for the butterflies, whether it be floral or a little more solid with patterns, but they all have some sort of pattern on them. And there's darker and lighter pinks and then florals. And I thought, I just love pink and black together. It's so cute and so pretty. So that's what I decided to do here. And I'm using black for the bodies. Now on this larger butterfly, I'm going to show you that you can actually layer another piece. So for the larger ones, you can layer two, but I opted to make another small butterfly out of this piece right here. See those little scalloped edges? It would fit on that larger butterfly just like that, but that's not how I am using it today. I want to have 3 smaller butterflies, 2 large butterflies, and then there's 2 size bodies for that. Again, there's also flowers, but I am not using that for today's project. In my Misty, I'm going to stamp and gold heat emboss my sentiment from the Heart of Our Family stamp set. I am going to use the coordinating dies, and there's tons of gorgeous sentiments in here for moms, grandmoms, all those things. But really a lot of really fabulous sentiments. I think that's one of the best things about Honeybee is that the sentiments are just always fabulous. You don't see these sentiments everywhere else. They're not like the typical sentiments. You can see by the die cut there, all the dies, that there's tons of sentiments. So I'm going to place that down with some low tack tape or run that through my die cut machine. Now let's put our card together. I do have some tape runner on the back. I'm going to adhere this to a white A2 size card base. And like I mentioned, I did trim it down a little bit smaller. So now there is a white mat around the edge. Let's glue the butterflies. I always want to call butterflies strawberries. I'm not sure why, but I almost just called them strawberries right now. Just a little bit of tape runner on the back. Now the reason why I chose Vellum for the base of the butterflies is I didn't want something dark back there. I really wanted to see it as much of that fun animal print pattern that we used with the stencil on the background, and also the pretty pattern paper between the animal print. I added some foam adhesive. Actually, I'm going to add another layer. I did 1 millimeter. I'm going to add 2 millimeters total on the back of my sentiment. So let me get that placed down in between all of those butterflies. And now everything has some dimension. The butterfly wings, I'm going to bend up just a little bit now that they're all glued down, but they'll go flat into a card or into a envelope. Let's take a look at this up close. Look at how fun that is. Really super simple card to put together, but absolutely gorgeous with the stencil, the dies, and the pattern paper. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe to Honeybee Stamps YouTube channel and click the notification bell so you do not miss a video. Bye!